Hey, welcome back to the channel. So first, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. Technics AZ40. I had to get these because during the summertime my head was literally boiling in my wireless crusher. I wanted some earbuds, still truly wireless, because that's the way to go. Unfortunately, there's about 100 million options to choose from. So I've been wearing these for about 2-3 months, and I have a list of things I like and the things I don't like. These were on a sale. So first of all, this is the box, a bit heavy. But that's not because they give you a lot of accessories and things like that. They put a huge stack of paper, manuals, books, shit. You do have 3 additional ear tips in the box. To me, it seems like they have the same size. And this little tray for the earbuds. So I've paid 100 euros for these. This is the case. Let's keep this short. Let me get into the things I like about these and then the things I don't like. The audio is kind of nice for what they are. I had to keep reminding myself these are not the Crusher wireless. These are just small in-ear. The sound is very clear and the bass is nice, but I think that depends on the format of the music. They do have the programmable touch button, which is very good because to me these touch controls are kind of trash. And they have this thing called multi-point, which is very nice because you can connect 2 devices to the same headphones and switch between them. And that's how I was able to do a test to see if there's a difference between Bluetooth 5.3 or whatever the last one is and an older version. There is a slight difference, but then again, my 2 devices, the Fold and the Note 8, have different style equalizers. As you can see, I'm probably struggling to pick things I like about them. I like them, they're nice, they're not special. And I do have a strong feeling there's other truly wireless earbuds that are better. Okay, so those are the things I like about these. I just want to show you how quick or how slow these connect. I have my Fold 2 here. Let's see, I'm going to take one of these out. Is that connected? That was fast this time. I want to show you the app. First of all, there is no dark mode. The ambient sound, which I couldn't really test, to me it makes no difference. Some settings, you can activate or deactivate the multi-point. The equalizers, I keep mine on the dynamic. I think that sounds the best. Let me show you how these look in ear, because I think that's important. You need to really jam them in the ear, and then you need to do a lot of this motion to find the best fit for you. And with that, let's get into the things I don't like. The price, 100 euros, it's way too much for these, even on sale. They are really slippery. I almost dropped these a few times. They are made of plastic. The audio is okay-ish. It really depends on how you jam these in your ears. The next thing I don't like is the trash touch-sensitive buttons. Another thing I didn't like about these was the pairing, but maybe this was just in my case. If you turn off your Bluetooth on the device and then turn it back on, you need to put the earbuds again in the case and then take them out. If we're talking about the case, this feels kind of cheap. It is plastic for 100 euros. This should have been better. After a while, I felt a slight pain in my ears, and I think it's from those grooves from the pins where it connects to the case. They feel like they're going to fall out of the ear when talking. I think that is my review on these. Let me know if you have any questions. If your question is why I didn't get to the AZ60 or the 70, well, those are even bigger. I didn't want to pay even more. I'm just going to wear these for maybe 2 or 3 months, and then I'm going to get back to my wireless crusher. That's the end of the video. Do me a favor and subscribe. I'll see you next time.